This is JJ with Bobby and JJ Radio. We have the awesome Mr. Robby Allen, our credit specialist, here in the studio today. Robby, well, first off, thanks for coming by. You're always here to educate. We call you the credit guru because you know all the answers. All the stuff that I thought was right was always wrong for whatever reason. But let's talk about just credit in general. Now, I know a lot of people out there. There usually has to be what I call the carrot, or there has to be a reason for someone to try to fix their credit. Either it be a big purchase like a car, or we come across a lot of people that want to purchase a home, and then they start to think like, hey, I need to start changing my life here a little bit. I need to start, looking into getting my credit score up. But it's a lot beyond that, right? It's not just about cars and houses. Sometimes for an individual, there's a lot of reasons to fix your credit. Don't you agree?
Oh yeah, for over the last 9 years, we've helped so many different people with so many different goals.
Sure.
And that's what credit isn't really that important until you're trying to accomplish a goal,
right,
or a dream. And I mean, a dream is purchasing your first home,
right,
purchasing your second home.
Sure.
I mean, these are dreams that people have, and the credit is tied to a lot of them, or purchasing a vehicle or starting a business. So those are all huge reasons, big reasons, and not just reasons for your credit, but to change you and your family's life.
Right. What if I was a veteran? What if I was a veteran and I didn't have the greatest credit score? That can affect me even in the military, right?
It could affect you in the military. Where we really see it, though, is if someone who's trying to get a job, maybe they're trying to work in the banking industry.
Right, you can't do it.
Maybe they're trying to work, for the government.
Right.
The police department,
right,
the fire department,
FBI,
the border
CIA,
patrol,
yeah,
all of that. And there's different guidelines for all of these different agencies,
sure,
or jobs that say this is what they want to see. So we've helped many people. Once they say, okay, this is what they want us to do on the credit, then we can go in and work with that client, so to get through that, and so they can get a job. And we've helped many people just do that and get the jobs that they've been really wanting.
So how long have you been doing this credit repair? How long have you been helping people in San Antonio?
We've been helping people since 2007.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how many people you feel that you've helped so far?
Over 5,000.
Wow.
And we're local. We're right here in town off of Wurzbach and I-10.
Right.
And we have a great staff,
sure,
that takes care of our clients. And anyone can reach out to us. We're here to help them.
And it's hard to do this alone. I know a lot of people say, "Oh, my brother-in-law can help me," or whatever. But this is a lot harder than people think, right?
Right.
It takes a lot of steps, and it's a full-time job, and that's why you have it.
It's a full-time job, and we've had, over the years, I mean, it's countless how many people said, "Listen, I tried to do it on my own, but I needed a lot more work." So they called us.
Sure.
They went to creditrestorationoftexas.com. And they gave us a call at 210-248-9061, 210-248-9061, and we were able to help them.
Thanks, Robby. I appreciate your time.
All right.